Malemgi mafam kayada pangthoknabagum International Yoga Day 2025 ki Thouram ngasi wang mataba Youth Club WYC Thoubal District Table Tennis Association TDTTA Serin Yoga Center Thoubal Khetri Lekai Thoubal wang mataba Yoga Center amadi Thoubal Forest Division na punna sinduna Thoubal wang matabada leiba Thoubal District Table Tennis Indoor Hall da Yoga for One Earth, One Health haiba theme ga loinana Pangthokkhre. Department of Urology RIMS ki former HOD, Senior Urologist Professor Rajendra Sinam, Retired Chief Medical Officer Imphal East Dr. Khetrimayum Manglem Singh, Sai NERC Takil Imphal gi Retired Assistant Director K. Michael Singh, Wang Mataba Youth Club WYC Thoubal gi President Retired MCS TH Guni Singh na athoiba mithung sing oina sarukiyaduna pangthokhiba Thouram aduda Yoga Master N Inaucha Devi na luchingduna yoga gi demonstration kaya utkhi amadi Department of Urology RIMS ki former HOD Senior Urologist Professor Rajendra Sinam nasu yoga gi matangda wafam kaya thamki Thouram ga mari lainana TDTTA gi Secretary Dr. AK Brozen na Yoga Day asina lakpada iramdam asida lairiba mipum khuding haksang fanaba lambida chatlasi aikhoi pumba yoga sanaduna haksang fanaba hotnarasi haina fongdorakhi